Twice baked potatoes have a totally distinct texture that you will love. Today we're going to make the classic and we're going to make a truffle twice baked potato as well. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a fantastic, simple, easy, delicious dish, twice baked potatoes. We're going to do it two ways. Classic way, we're going to use russet potatoes with some heavy cream, some butter, some sour cream, some bacon, some cheddar, salt and pepper, about a half teaspoon of each, and some chives. Then we're gonna make the same thing except for the truffle oil twice baked potato. We're gonna still use the cream, the butter, the salt, the pepper, no cheese, okay, no bacon, and instead we're gonna put in some truffle oil. And I'm pretty sure this is from France. What do you think, Mrs. Brooks?
That's from France.
All right, there you go. All right, we're ready to start. 3 russet potatoes. These are large potatoes. We got the oven that's already preheated to 425. We're gonna cook these for an hour. Middle rack, 1 hour. We'll take them out, let them cool down. All right, so I am gonna hit them with the fork a little bit just to stop them from exploding in the oven. And these are ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna put them on a tray. We're gonna put these in here. 1 hour. All right, so we've cooked these for 1 full hour at 425 and we've let them cool down a little bit so we can touch them. And we're gonna cut them in half. And I'm using a thin bladed knife. I think this is a boning knife or close to it. Oh, this is pretty good. Absolutely done. All right, obviously we're saving our skins. All right, so put about 5 tablespoons of butter. Now, you should use sour cream. I would, but my wife doesn't care for it, so we're not gonna put it in there, but I would put in about a cup. I'm gonna put a little bit more heavy whipping cream. You can use milk, but cream is gonna make it creamier. And then of course the salt and the pepper. I left my butter sitting out. We're gonna use about a cup of cream. Now I usually mash my mashed potatoes with a manual masher, but for this you want to get it nice and creamy and smooth, so we're going to use a mixer. And we're going to make us a little more milk. We're not going to do the truffle oil yet. We're going to save 2 of them for the truffle oil. We're going to make 4 classics. All right, so we're just going to put the mashed potatoes back in the potato. And that's 1. All right, so there's the 4 classic. Now we're gonna do the truffle oil. I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon.
Get that wad of
What?
potato off of your left hand.
That?
Before you're wearing it.
All right.
That's real sanitary.
And that should be plenty. I am gonna taste this. I can smell that oil. God, it smells good. We need a little bit more. I'm happy with that. And we're not going to put anything else on the truffle. That's going to be it, just like that. For the classic potatoes, now we're going to put some cheese, which we have plenty of, and some bacon. I actually did the bacon in the microwave. It's just an easy, simple way to do it. Probably took about 8 minutes altogether. You just gotta keep checking it. I like it in the microwave. Some people don't. I like it in the microwave. I think it gets nice and crispy. I think I'm not gonna cook the chives. I'm gonna do that one. We'll see how it turns out. We're gonna put it back in the oven for 15 minutes at 425 degrees, but we're gonna check it. Potatoes date back thousands of years ago to the Andes region of Peru. baking potatoes became popular in Ireland as a widely versatile and affordable dish. Nobody seems to agree on the origin of twice-baked potatoes, but they became a favorite dish for Americans in the 1960s. There are actually over 4,000 varieties of potatoes, but today our choice is the russet potato, which is going to be perfect for baking twice. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Look at these. They look good. All right. That looks pretty good right there. I think we are ready to have a taste. All right, so I'm going to add a little more bacon. We ready to taste it? Look at this nice peak. It's got a little brown to it. Get a couple chives. If you like truffle oil, that is fantastic. That's fantastic. Come try it.
I'm going to do the classic first.
All right.
Because I want to end with the truffle oil.
Okay. Isn't that good? That's tasty.
There's nothing like a twice-baked potato.
Absolutely.
In honor of my sister.
Oh, she hates truffle oil. Yes. Hates truffle oil.
She hates truffle oil.
Hates it. Isn't that good? It's not too much. It's just a hint of it. Yes. Hey,
Yes.
if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And make a comment. Tell me where you're from. And I'll see you next time on
Lawyer in the Kitchen.